In the heart of Levittown, Toa Baja, there is a space that has united children, youth and adults for decades. A park that has witnessed dreams, triumphs and friendship. But today, our park needs a new opportunity. The sports and recreational facilities require rehabilitation. And the community deserves a dignified, safe and modern place to continue its history. More than 6,800 children and youth live in Levittown and many more in surrounding areas. 9 schools and 12 private colleges impact this community. In Toa Baja, more than 35% of our population is of sport age. This park is not just a sports space. It is a center for the development discipline, values and hope. The Levittown Baseball Association is a 501(c)(3) non-profit organization. It has a tax exemption from the Puerto Rico Department of Treasury. It leads the effort to restore and revitalize these recreational facilities. Create clinics, sport leagues, and state tournaments, as well as sports exchanges between states and countries. This includes baseball, softball, pickleball and 3-on-3 basketball. With your help, we can make it reality. Sponsor, make your donation. Be part of the change. Your company can be part of the transformation of Levittown Park. Each sponsor will be recognized for the commitment to youth and sports. Your support will be visible in every game, in every smile and in every achievement of our young people. Together, we can build the future of sports in Levittown. United for sports, inspiring the future.